In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable an FPS counter in any Steam game. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, knowing your FPS is obviously super useful because it shows how well your game is performing. And to do this on any Steam game, obviously open up Steam and then select Steam up in the top left corner. From here, go ahead and select Settings, just like so. And in the left-hand sidebar, find the option that says In-Game. Select that, and it's going to take you to a new page. It looks like this. And then just scroll down until you find the Overlay Performance Monitor. When you see this, you should see a little sidebar next to it that says Off. Essentially, go ahead and select that. And then choose something like top right, top left, bottom right, etc. It doesn't really matter. Let's just say I want it in the top left, right? After you do that, you're going to see a few different options up here. Find the performance detail level and just select FPS single value if you only want to see your FPS. You could also change any of these other settings as well if you want to see even more. And then you can also change the text scaling, the contrast, and the background opacity. It's completely up to you. But that is it. Whenever you launch a game now, your FPS will be displayed wherever you set it. So mine would be up in the top left. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.